Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Azure Cosmos DB Developer DP-420. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, describe the process of migrating an existing application to Azure Cosmos DB. Your answer should be, migrating an existing application to Azure Cosmos DB involves assessing requirements, analyze the existing application's data model, access patterns, and performance requirements to determine the suitability for Cosmos DB. The second one is data migration. Migrate data from existing database to Cosmos DB using tools like Azure Data Migration Service, Data Factory, or custom scripts. Code refactoring. Modify application code to use Cosmos DB SDKs and APIs for data access and management. The next one is testing and validation. Test the migrated applications thoroughly to ensure functionality, performance, and scalability meet expectations. And the last one is deployment. Deploy the migrated applications to Azure Cosmos DB, configure throughput indexes and other settings as needed. Our next question is, what are the considerations for choosing the appropriate consistency level in Azure Cosmos DB? Your answer should be, considerations for choosing the appropriate consistency level include, the first one is application requirements. Understand the application's consistency requirement and how data consistency impacts user experience and functionality. The second one is latency sensitivity. Determine the tolerance for increased latency associated with stronger consistency level. The third one is data access patterns. Analyze the application's read and write patterns to determine the consistency level and best balances consistency and performance. And the fourth one is regulatory compliance. Consider regulatory requirements related to data consistency and durability, such as GDPR or HIPAA. Our next question is, explain how partitioning affects query performance and scalability in Azure Cosmos DB. Your answer should be, partitioning affects query performance and scalability in Azure Cosmos DB by distributing data and workload across multiple physical partitions. Proper partitioning ensures even distribution of data and workload, avoiding hot partitions and enabling parallel processing of queries across partitions. This improves query performance and scalability by allowing Cosmos DB to handle a large volume of requests in parallel. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, how does Azure Cosmos DB handle indexing and what are the best practices for optimizing indexing performance? Your answer should be, Azure Cosmos DB automatically indexes all properties of documents by default, facilitating efficient query execution. Best practices for optimizing indexing performance includes, the first one is, choose the right indexing policy based on query patterns and workload characteristics. The second one is, use composite indexes for queries involving multiple properties. The third one is monitor and optimize index utilization using Cosmos DB diagnostics and query metrics. And the fourth one is avoid unnecessary indexing of large or rarely queried properties to reduce storage and indexing overhead. Our next question is explain the concept of request units (RUs) in Azure Cosmos DB and how they impact cost and performance. Your answer should be request unit (RUs) measure the throughput capacity of Azure Cosmos DB, abstracting the underlying system resources queried to perform database operations. RUs impact cost and performance by determining the amount of throughput provisioned for the database. Higher RUs result in better performance and lower latency, but also incur high cost. Properly sizing RUs based on workload requirements is essential for optimizing cost and performance in Azure Cosmos DB. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, current and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.